so lovely. She's got me dancing. She's got me dancing. She's got me dancing. Let's go one step behind.
Okay, so the event seems to be going extremely fast. So I'm trying to catch up. So I've shown you multitasking in folders. So the next one is okay. So now he was talking about mail, about how mail you'll be able to open attachments, etc., etc., which is really cool because I do get annoyed when I can't really open all attachments. Unified inbox, which basically means that all your mail is in one thing. So now they moved on to iBooks. Now we're moving on to iBooks. Yes, iBooks. Okay, so they're showing it off on the iPhone, of course, because this is an iPhone event. And they're showing off a Winnie the Pooh book. Apparently it won something. And delightful ebook reader, iBook store, buy once, read anywhere, sync page, and bookmarks, which is really cool. And free Winnie the Pooh comes. That's what Winnie the Pooh won. It got to be free when it comes with iBooks. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Scott is back for number 5. He's talking about some great features in Enterprise. So basically, he's talking about better data protection, mobile device management, wireless app distribution. There's also support for multiple Exchange accounts, which is good. Exchange Server 2010 and new VPN options. So if you are a businessman and have some stuff to do with Exchange, well then this is fantastic for you. Okay, that's great. And we move on to the next one. It's the Game Center. So games are very, very popular on the iPod Touch, iPhone, we all know. So they wanted to make gaming even better on the iPhone, so they decided to add a social gaming network. So technically they've got their own Xbox Live, which is great. So now you can invite friends. There's matchmaking. There's leaderboards, there's achievements, there's so many things, which is fantastic for gaming because I love gaming on my iPod and everything. So yes, this is great. Okay, so we move on to the next one, which is iAd, mobile advertising. So if you're wondering what is this, well basically the people who make the games and apps need to find a way to make money, and technically the way they advertise sucks. Really, that's what Steve said. So they made their own advertising platform. So when you look at ads on an iPhone, it's not like a desktop. On a desktop, search is where it's at. But on mobile devices, that hasn't happened. Search is not happening on phones. People are using apps, and that is where the opportunity to deliver advertising is. That's what Steve said. So okay, so now they're putting a bit of maths into the game. An average person spends 30 minutes a day on an iPhone. So 10 ads per device each day, which would mean 1 billion ad impressions per day, which is quite a lot of impressions, which is very good. So that's basically what they've been talking about. And okay, so now they're talking about interaction, because they were saying that they wanted to get it right. So emotion interaction, they didn't want it to be over. So these ads keep you in your app, which is great. Ads keep you in your app, built in iPhone OS. Apple sells and owns the ads, and also 60% of the revenue goes straight to the developer. So now they're demoing an advert. These are super ads, okay? So basically there's an advert for Toy Story 3, click on it, and then it loads up some stuff. And then it will show you characters, videos, games, posters, theaters, downloads, many things, which is great. There's videos, you can slide through the ones you want. You can even watch them, which is good. There are also games. These adverts are just fantastic. Seriously, I wouldn't mind clicking on these. I might make them a hobby. I might just click on them for no apparent reason, like a good old hobby. And the great thing is, these ads are looking more like apps. They are actually, you click on them and they act a lot like apps. They work Okay, now they're showing off more iPad adverts. No, not iPad, iPhone and everything adverts. This is one for Nike. Nike. So it's a little, I think it's a video, and then you can actually create your own shoes. So you just download the app and you make your own shoe. It's actually an advert as well. So okay. So here's some more on the whole iPad, the whole iAd thing. Just some screenshots showing off another advert called Dorm Builder. Okay, so that's the last one, really. Yeah, those are the 7. Fantastic. So now the whole event is finished. They're telling all the devs to go ahead and start testing the things now. It will be coming out in summer for iPhone 3GS, iPod Touch 3rd Gen, iPhone 3G, iPod Touch 2nd Gen, and for the iPad this fall. So thanks for watching, guys.